What if an artificial intelligence could predict your next decision before you even consciously make it? It's a terrifying thought, but it's already happening every single day. Not because algorithms have suddenly learned to read your mind, or because your devices are secretly listening to all of your private conversations. It's because over the last decade, AI systems have spent countless hours quietly learning your patterns, your daily habits, your deepest fears, and your personal preferences. The reality is that we are constantly leaking information, and machines have become incredibly efficient at piecing together the puzzle of who we really are. Welcome to the invisible world of behavioral prediction, where the code knows you better than you know yourself. To understand how this happens, we have to look at what you do online every single day. Every search query you type into a browser, every video you click on YouTube, every late-night online shopping spree, and every location your GPS pings to the cloud creates a massive digital footprint. Most people assume that once they close an app or swipe away a notification, those actions just disappear into the ether. They don't. Instead, they are aggregated, categorized, and stored permanently. You might scroll past a video in 3 seconds instead of 1 second, or you might linger on an ad for just a moment longer than usual. To you, it's meaningless. To an AI model, it's high-value training data, adding another brick to the foundation of your digital twin. Modern artificial intelligence doesn't just stop at recording what you do, it actively attempts to learn how you think and feel. By continuously processing these billions of subtle behavioral patterns, advanced algorithms construct a deeply sophisticated psychological profile. They map out fundamental traits like your level of openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and emotional stability. If you tend to consume more negative news, the AI might flag you as anxious. If you frequently switch between hobbies, it might interpret you as highly open to new experiences. It's a mathematical translation of your personality, reducing the complexity of human psychology into vectors and weights within a vast neural network. Once enough of this granular data has been collected and processed, the true power of the system unlocks: prediction. The objective shifts from merely understanding your past behavior to actively anticipating your future choices. These recommendation engines are running continuous simulations of what you might want next. They calculate the probability that you will purchase a specific brand of coffee next Tuesday, the exact type of entertainment that will keep you scrolling past midnight, and even how you might vote in an upcoming election. They assign confidence percentages to every possible outcome, narrowing down the infinite possibilities of human behavior into highly predictable, calculable certainties. You see the results of this predictive power every time you look at a screen. Every major digital platform operates on these underlying mechanisms. When a streaming service autoplays a movie that perfectly matches your current mood, that isn't magic or coincidence. When a shopping application suggests a product that you were just thinking about buying, it isn't reading your thoughts. It simply recognizes that millions of people with your exact behavioral profile made that exact same decision at this precise point in their behavioral timeline. The AI is simply connecting the dots of human behavior on a massive scale, and serving you the statistically inevitable conclusion. Now, it's important to recognize that this technology isn't inherently malicious, and it offers incredible benefits when used responsibly. Predictive artificial intelligence powers systems that save us enormous amounts of time and friction. It enables search engines to instantly find the exact information we need. It creates highly personalized educational platforms that adapt to how a specific student learns best, and it's even revolutionizing healthcare by anticipating medical risks before symptoms ever physically manifest. When AI anticipates our needs to serve us better, it acts as a profoundly useful tool that enhances the human experience and streamlines our complex modern lives. But there is a darker, much more concerning side to this equation. The exact same predictive systems that understand your behavior so intimately can also be weaponized to subtly influence and manipulate it. If an algorithm knows exactly what triggers your anxiety or your anger, it can feed you a continuous loop of enraging content to keep you engaged, trapping you in an isolated echo chamber. It allows advertisers, corporations, and even political campaigns to target you with surgical precision, exploiting your psychological vulnerabilities when you are most susceptible. The more accurately these systems predict human behavior, the more power they have to control it. Ultimately, artificial intelligence may never achieve true consciousness, and it may never actually read your thoughts in the way science fiction imagines. But if a machine can perfectly predict your choices, your reactions, and your future actions simply by crunching the numbers of your past, the difference between reading your mind and calculating your mind might not matter at all. The invisible algorithms watching us will only continue to grow smarter and more accurate. Thanks for watching.